Our tour today takes us to 1600 Sunrise Drive in the Manor Hill area of Sun and Lake, in Sebring, Florida. This is one of the most exclusive addresses in Sun and Lake. These homes rarely come available. This pool home has 4 bedrooms and 3 baths with 2,598 square feet under air. It is located on the 17th fairway of the award-winning Deer Run golf course. The roof is 3 years old, and the home has a northern exposure, so the pool area gets beautiful Florida sun throughout the day. As your guests arrive, they will pass by 2 architectural columns, meticulous landscaping and a tiled foyer, where stunning double doors will greet them. Let's go inside and begin our tour. Once inside, the home opens up, and the open concept floor plan reveals itself. The formal living area is 20 by 13, with 10-foot ceilings. You will be amazed at the view of the pool, lanai area, and the golf course beyond. 12-foot sliding doors open the entire space to the outside. The chef of the home will be awestruck at the beautiful yet functional kitchen. There is recessed lighting, Corion counters, plenty of storage, and solid wood cabinets, to name just a few of the many features. The kitchen opens to the casual area of the home, which makes it perfect for entertaining. There is also a built-in desk for checking those recipes, or planning the next party. The formal dining room has a vaulted ceiling and stunning crown molding, which creates an elegant setting for those special dining occasions. For those more casual meals, the breakfast nook is just off the kitchen, and creates a soothing setting, as you look out over the pool and golf course beyond. The family room is 16 by 18, and is perfect for the new home theater system, or just a quiet place to curl up with a good book. The master suite is a spectacular 18 by 15, with a vaulted tray ceiling, crown molding, lots of windows and a private door to the lanai and pool area. Welcome to your private spa. The master bath has a walk-in shower, jacuzzi tub, and plenty of counter and storage space. There is also a 7 by 10 walk-in closet. Write your memoirs, or conduct business, in this impressive, study/den, at 10 by 11, if another bedroom is needed this could be converted. Your guests will be comfortable, in the 12 by 13 guest bedrooms. The split floor plan design of this home allows your guest to have a private and comfortable stay. Just off the guest rooms is the guest bath, which has a tub shower combination, with lots of counter and storage space. Welcome to your 5-star resort. That's how you and your guests will feel, as they enjoy the wonderful pool, with multiple areas for sunning and relaxing. Sit back and relax, with family and friends. The covered area of the pool deck is 30 by 11, and is perfect for the new outdoor kitchen. The pool has a northern exposure, so it is sunny all the time, but the lanai is always in shade. No more wet feet running through the house, with this great feature, a bathroom with access directly to the pool. It's a full 4-piece bath, with a tiled walk-in shower. As first-time buyers to Sun and Lake, you will be eligible for a free 1-year golf membership, which includes both championship courses, tennis and pickleball. Some restrictions apply. This concludes our tour of 1600 Sunrise. We have just scratched the surface of the many features of this once-in-a-lifetime home. Please come and experience it for yourself. Thank you for visiting. Goodbye.